He just said he was looking for me. Here I go. Here I go, TJ. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go.
Damn, boy, that's fucked up.
No, this be, hold on, give me some of that shit, man. I can't do nothing right now. The nigga stunting on me, I can't say shit, you heard me? But everybody know me. Can't hold a good man down, I'll be back.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out. Even if we only go to my house, sit so easy as we sit up on my house. Feels good, but I know you want to cry out. You say you want passion, I think you found it. Get ready for action, don't be astounded. We switch positions, you feel surrounded. Tell me where you want to be. You know I had to do it real special. Cause if it's your birthday right now, right this minute, you know what you need to be doing. And if you're not doing the shame of you. It's my birthday. August 19th. So don't forget that. It's the girl, it's your birthday. Go, it's your birthday.